What is up, everybody? Welcome to the day 2 of building audio transcriber in Rust using whispher.cpp and FFmpeg. And hope so you have some bit of context on what we are working on so far. And if you don't, no problem. We already got that covered up for you guys. And just to give you the brief of what we are working on, uh, we are basically trying to extract audio from our VODs, video on demands, and after extracting the audio, we're gonna take that particular audio file and put it inside whispher.cpp, which is a AI audio transcribing library written in C++. And that library gives us a text file or a JSON file along with the timestamps of what we spoke inside that particular audio clip. So we're gonna get text format of whatever we spoke in the video on demand video, and we're gonna take that particular text file and try to use it in ChatGPT to find relevant content so that we can upload shorter form of content, and we can upload more refined content inside YouTube. You know what I mean? So that's what we are trying to figure out so far, and things seems to be going north or south. I'm not really that peculiar about it. So that's the intro part, most of it. And yeah, let me mark down time. Okay. 8 0 0 8, I mean 9 will be the end of it. 09 and 00. So the intro part is covered, and we're gonna start working on this part, and it will start from 00 start and 0. Man, I do gotta like look after this thing and time sync the entire thing, so that's kind of an hassle. And you can please let me know if my audio or video is completely bombed. I'm not really sure if they are working fine. So okay, and yep, that's most of it. So let me just think what I was doing for a bit, and yeah, I'll start it from 10, I guess. I'll start it from 10 and 00. So we'll start working on this part. Awesome. So what we are trying to do so far is to try to execute FFmpeg here. And if you look at this, and where am I? So I want to make sure that I can do this inside. If I go to CLI, I can do it. No, before that, like, let me just go and register this particular directory inside my tmux directory tool, so that I might not need to do it again and again. And this is something which I have to do every now and then, so it pisses me off, but it's a one-time job. So I can just take my CLI tool and rust.cpp. So if I just do E right now and rust.cpp, I'll have a tmux session named after it, and I can just go in and do whatever the hell I want. So if you can look at here, like, we have this video clip which is of type MP4, and what we want to get out of it is like an audio clip which is wave formatted, because FFmpeg does most of the formatting for us, but the only main constraint where we lack a bit is that whispher.cpp only processes WAV extension audios. So yep, like, that's something which we might have to look. And yeah, cargo.build, and hope so everything works out fine. Cargo.main, sorry, Wrong languages. I'm not getting used. Okay, no such file. Let's see. Why no such file, ma? FFmpeg. I guess this should do. Okay, FFmpeg. Yeah, double thing should work out. And FFmpeg seems to be good. And yeah, lower is working output. I don't need this part. And I do tend to make weird noises while I write something. Let's see. I can just say .arg and mpeg and one more arg, which is either I have to remap this thing properly or I have to quit using jk as my escape key. Fun fact, I use jk as my escape key, so it does most of the work for me. Okay, no such file or directory. Why am I getting that? Like, is it because of... No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Like, I don't think so. That might be the reason. Oh, sorry. I guess new instead of new FFmpeg. And if I do this, yep, seems to be the case. So, and the weird part of which I am stuck right now is that I want to get this thing as a proper output, and while I am trying to do that, kind of messy. So if you take a look at this, if I do FFmpeg and let me try to get something on wait, version, let version be there. I have what, studio.out stderr. Okay, standard error stderr. I guess error is giving me the output for some weird reason. Fuck, I get things in ASCII for some reason. And as sorry, okay, two string, like two string, does two string exist as okay, there's this function called stringify. Okay, this macro will yield an expression of type static string which will stringify all of the token passed into the macro. No restrictions. So can I just see, since I'm getting ASCII, like, okay, I guess I can do this part. Okay. So since I'm getting an B8, I have to stitch this thing back. That's an interesting problem which we can solve. We can just say, like, we can treat this as a problem and try to add it into the list if we can. And I don't think I should divert from the topic which we are stuck right now. So the main agenda is to make sure that this particular command will work inside this, and after that we're gonna try to explore a library, and that particular library, okay, I messed up the order, so yeah, I'll make this thing the last, and And where is the goddamn timestamp? Awesome. So yeah, okay. We are doing fine. We are going good. But my doubt related to my network is always so iffy that I get really frightened. Awesome. So I'll stop watching my chat and everything, and let's concentrate on this part where we are trying to debug. And if my prediction is right and I have my RS here, I should be able to use my. Okay, wait. It'll be stored somewhere that in that part I'm sure. Audio.wave is something which I'll get. Yes, I'm gonna delete it. And audio dot output dot audio dot mp3. This is. Wait, if I look at the command, I guess I can figure that part out. Output dot file dot mov, and I'm taking the first 20 seconds of the audio. And there is this A codec and PCM S16LE type codec type, and I'm taking AR adaptive bitrate of 16,000 kilobytes, and I'm taking audio channel 1 and song, like I'm outputting it as song wave. Instead of song wave, I'll say audio stream wave by May. That would be an actual goodie. I guess that would make more sense than any other thing in the world. And make no mistake, it's gonna be a short stream. Okay. So yeah, baby. I can just say minus. Sorry, I keep calling it minus for some reason. And arc. And this arcs can contain paths, so I can just say some proper video of some idiotic type. And what did I use? So output.mov was something which I used, and all I have right now is output.audio, so I can just say 20, I guess something of this kind. 20. This will be my input file, and if I throw it in right now, I am supposed to get an error. Okay, found mutable reference. Okay, so no method named ARS. Oh, sorry. My bad, man. My bad. Hey, sub Rob. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the club. And there's a question for you on my right hand. Like, if you're a programmer like me, I would like you to vote for either Rust or Go. And I'm trying to make it a contest kind of thing in my stream, so hope you like it. Yeah, you can shoot it down for me, and yeah, we'll take it from there. And Robbie, nice name by the way. So if we are in any kind of common sense right now, I can just cargo run this shit. And okay, I forgot to do this part. I don't want str because it's a vector array, and I'm not in the mood to go through that weird thing. So what I'm getting right now is like, ooh, that's an okay. I get an error. FFmpeg version 4.2 Ubuntu FFmpeg developer built in GCC. Give me something, man. Okay, did I cargo build it? My bad. Like, if I don't build it properly, I guess it was running the previous thing. No. So I guess I can only verify it once I'm sure if the things are executing properly. And minus T and I can just say 20 arcs. Can I concatenate this entire shit like this, or should I treat it as a string for some weird reason? I'm not sure. What do you think, chat? Because all I am writing right now is my own way of interpreting this thing, and I don't think my own way of thinking is always valid. What do you say, Rob? Do you code, brother? Like, do you write code? The chat is waiting for you. Sorry, Robbie, but chat is waiting for you. Just Robbie, like the name is kind of intriguing. Okay, let's just say, can I just do the entire thing in one string go, and that'll but like I have this weird project which I'm working on, so I guess I can just say, and this should throw me an error, but I hope it doesn't throw me an error. So like, do you have any experience with Mr. FFmpeg? Because all I get from that conversation is that like you had a serious beef with this language, and you don't, sorry, language, my bad, you had a serious beef with this tool and you don't want other people to fall in the same pitfall. Do I take that as a warning from you, said? Is that why you are telling me not to use more FFmpeg? Okay, error splitting the argument list, option dash and not found. I guess that might be the reason. Okay. Uh, just a disclaimer. You like FFmpeg? I didn't say that you should use FFmpeg. You shouldn't use. Okay, I get this. I get what you're trying to explain to me. Awesome. So I guess this thing treats each of the parameters as different, and if I'm not wrong, there is something in this library which is of my use case. Because last I remember FFmpeg, sorry, not FFmpeg, command create in Rust. I go see this thing. You like FFmpeg? Like, did you use it in your day-to-day job sometime? That might be the reason people like it. Because I had to use it once in my day job, and it was awesome actually. Not that bad. Okay, I can do this. How it works, and the only thing I've done is to convert videos into different formats. Okay, very different formats. My bad, bruh. No, it's yeah, what I had to do in my personal day job. I'll just split it out for you a bit. Is it interesting? I just want to know. Type one in the chat if you like FFmpeg, because I love FFmpeg for some reason, and I am one of those developers who found 37,000x performance boost. 100x is nothing compared to that. I don't think that's actually 37,000x, but like I'm just rough figuring the entire shit. So you got your video rendering time from 37 seconds to less than a second, like which is half a second, 500 milliseconds. That's a huge boost to your performance. And I got employee of the month, which I was supposed to get. I didn't, because employee of the month concept never existed in my company at that time. That's a serious run, but I feel pain. Robbie, you like the story, brother? Uh, no, like I just don't remember when I started to say the story, but I'll just time it so that I can cut it out of the video and someday explain it. 32. Yeah. 0, 32. Video formatting and stuff, but sounds good. Yeah, like this is one of those things where you have to dip your toes inside it to know whether you're sunk or not. And just to explain that entire hassle, I deserve a follow, mate. Yeah, follow if you didn't. Gotcha. Hey, no pressure, brother. No pressure. Like you can follow if you feel like following. That's the only motto I keep in my particular community. Cause no guy should be forced into watching something, and I strictly believe that part. And I can just use. Okay. I can just use. I can string and interplay. Hey, yo. I remember. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Let me see. You were one of those initial guys, right? Man, I used to love speaking with. I still love speaking with you. It was more fun. Like it was fun. Like the day when you, me, Jack, and one more guy called Killer. We had a wonderful conversation for somewhere around 3 hours. It was awesome. Yeah, yeah, Thursday 6. It was actually so awesome. The conversation went on so good that I got like I was supposed to stream for 2 hours and I ended up streaming for 4 hours just because of you guys. When you guys pressured me that day, and it was awesome. Just so you know, like I got my Discord back up. You go look into my like about page, you can find the Discord, and you can connect to me via that. Cause I know I'd like to grow a tight community as much as tight as possible. That's my motto. I wanna have few followers who I don't call you guys followers because followers will be an overstatement. Because you guys help me while I write code and I appreciate it. And you guys are more like friends than followers. So not using the word, brother. Codec. Sorry that I forgot. 1LE. And it's been a long time. Like I never see you coming around. 16. Yeah, like let me see. Yeah, let me check. Let me check on it, brother. Don't be pissed at me, man. I'm new to this shit. Like I never been to Discord before, and I'm learning the ways of it. Mm-hmm. Invite. You know what? Invite. Yeah, here's the link for it. Kublish. Last time I remember Jack asked me for the same thing, and I kind of fucked it up, and I never had Discord. So hey, sup, Robbie? Sup, Robbie? Sup, Robbie? So the next time when you're on, just ping me there so that I can like it'll be fun when you, Jack, and everyone shows up to the stream and we can have an honest convo about something. What do you think, huh? Awesome, right? I can watch that much because of your stream time. Right now it's 11 p.m. Hey, yeah, no problem, no problem, no problem. It's not a problem at all. Uh, it's 2:20 a.m. for me, so I don't expect people to stay that late up. And last time, yeah, like it was 2 a.m. for you guys, it was 4 or 5 for me. So, and I felt shit that day. I felt shit that day, and it was awesome. But I felt the pain, but it was awesome. And yeah, just let me know while you're leaving, and I can say bye to you. Audio stream dot. So if everything works out fine, yo. Now what? Like, okay, what the hell? Do I have to add something like this? What's the error, man? Okay, trait. Okay, wait. It's not satisfied. For some weird reason, I'm breaking this thing. Okay, let's see. Why? When was the last error seen? Okay. Oh, fuck. My bad. Come on, dude. Like, work out for me. Minus version. Version works fine. So if version is working fine. Okay. FFmpeg version. And what I'm getting is version 4 point some idiotic thing, and it's like I'm getting the same thing here. So the integration seems to be fine. But for some weird reason, how do I, you know what, I'll try this part. Yeah, let me get this thing back on. I'll eat up the entire thing. Okay. Something wrong with the thing. Too many breaking parts today. Yep, everything seems to be fine. And like, I'm not watching my Discord right now. If there's yeah, like, what do you mostly do on Discord? I'm not sure like what to do on Discord because I never used it much. Like in back during my college days, there was a hype regarding Discord, but right now I'm in a state where I barely know stuff. So I guess I'm not that smart. Yeah. You know what? Let's just go and see arcs. What does it take? It's gonna take something like self and arcs.s. Arcs.s, and what is the type of s? Like, okay, it's a vector. Okay, it can take in vector too. Okay, it can take in vector too, but I don't want to treat it as vector as of now because I want to see if this works. CODEC codec G PCM S. Okay, S16 LE. Man, I was expecting to find at least one follower today, but turned out my follower showed up. I hate calling followers, man. I hate calling people who watch stream followers. Because followers mean something. To follow someone, you have to, like, for someone to follow you, you ought to be you ought to be a great leader. And I'm bloody weak at trust. I don't think I'm a great leader in any way. Dot stream dot wave. If I'm right, if everything goes right, supposed to get something. Bruh. Wait. Did I get something? CD. Nope, I did not get anything. Okay, instead I broke shit. Bugger. Bloody hell. Okay, what am I doing that is pissing this thing off? Okay. Now this one. So if I do the same thing here, like if I, you know what, let me get this video till here and try to paste it here, and hope to god it works out. How do I, I'm in what directory right now? I'm inside source. Okay, I'm inside source. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah. Yep. Instead of this thing, I'll give my weird dated file, and Inca, if it works out. Yeah, I'm supposed to have a nodal. Okay, what was the file? Audio stream dot wave. So I'm getting what I'm supposed to get from FFmpeg, but that same thing is not happening from here, main.rs. So I guess I have to do some more research now. Where is it? Where is my goddamn browser, man? Where is my goddamn browser? You should stop looking at number of viewers viewing my stream. It's painful, actually. Yeah, I opened up my chat in a site, so I shouldn't be more disturbed today. Everything turns out fine. And let's just go to this thing and check if how do I pass in weird things inside this. Add arguments to pass program. Only one arguments can be passed per use. So instead of you would like to use this. I got that part. What does spawn do? To pass multiple arguments in args, note that argument is not passed through all the shell by given literally to the program. This means that shell syntax like quotes, escape characters, word splitting, global parity, variable substitution, etc. have no effect on Windows use. Okay, wait. What do you mean by slash doesn't have any value? A function args args, and I have input and ins type. So fucking hell. What I get outside is like command type. Add multiple arguments to pass the program to pass a single argument. See args and not this thing. How do I specify, like, okay, ls path bin. Okay, should I use environment? Are you sure? Okay, insert or update an explicit environment variable mapping. Okay. ls path bin. What do I get for ls path bin if I'm not wrong? So for ls path bin I'm supposed to get something ls dot n uh, is that like an slash bin. So I'm supposed to get something out of it. And I don't understand why spawn is something which we are doing right now. Dot s spawn. Let's go see what spawn does. Execute the command as a child process, returning a handle to it. By default, studios are inherited from the parent. For example, basic usage and no run. Command dot new spawn dot ls command failed. Okay, wait. So spawn can get me cargo build. What am I having? Cargo run. So wait. Studio.out. I'm getting entire thing here, and std studio.out is still an array. Just for the clarity of it. So this is not something which we are looking for, but make no mistake, this is useful. So if I, why do I use environment in this case? What is the use of environment? Okay, let's see. Insert and update an explicit environment variable mapping. This method allows you to add an environment variable mapping to the spawned process or overwrite a previous set value. You can use command.env to set multiple environment variables simultaneously. Child processes will inherit environment variables from the parent process by default. Okay, so I can just say path and I can use path somewhere else. I'm not sure. Fucker, you just gave the entire documentation here, I guess. Make no mistake. Okay, I still did not get the opinion. Rust or go. Read, people, read. Like what was I looking for? Looking for something. Looking for something. I was looking for something. But what was I looking for? I completely forgot. Fuck. I zoned out for a bit or what? Man. Zoning out is bad. But I zone out every now and then, so don't expect people to not expect shit from me. But yeah. So where is it? If I do dot arguments and say, let's just say you Mr. or FFmpeg, and if I say version, and I'm spawning the sub process, like spawn means sub process, right? Execute the command as a child process and returns a handle to it, returning a handle to it. So if I'm not wrong, cargo build, cargo run. Fucking hell. see, see, I'm not that good, but wow, I'm good today. So if I can somehow spawn the damn thing, so if I go back, wow, okay, yeah, audio stream. If I instead of output, I'll just spawn. Am I supposed to get something? And let me remove the audio file audio.stream just so that I'll get something. cargo dot build baby boy, cargo dot run. Okay, no such directory, no such file. Okay, no such file. That's an interesting way. So, but like, is the process stuck here? Like, the control should go back, no? At a certain point, I want the control to go back. Like, after the execution is complete, I want my particular CLI to have the control. Because that's something which I have to figure out. Okay, wait. If I'm not wrong, it is treating this file as if it's never existed. Up. So relative path doesn't seems to be working, and if I just say, since it's shell, I don't think it'll mind me if I do some weird things. Awesome. Yep. If I go back and look at it, I have audio.wave file. It's time for me. Okay, wait. Since I have audio.wave file, can't I do the same thing about? No, I just want to know when will it return the process? Like, if I spawn, how do I stop spawn? Execute the command as child process and output. Okay, if I just say you just spawn the thing for me and I want output from you. I don't think output is given after this. Okay, calls and proofs. Nah, this is something which I'm looking for. Yo, LSP, wake up. I can't manually go and search in every single thing for you. Come on, LSP, be good to me. Don't fuck with me. I'll make sure that I'll fuck with you. But that was an awesome moment, man. Like, I want to take a story point out of it. And few minutes back, right? So 54, I'll just say 53. 0, 53. Code worked. So wait. See, ain't I awesome? Sometimes I don't know whether I'm awesome or like I'm just was born to be awesome. Okay. So what these things can be found in my YouTube. Check about for more info. Okay. I don't expect great things from you. But I want to list it down a bit. But that was awesome. That was awesome. First time my code seems to be going so well. But I just want to know if the spawning out part of it works. And for some reason, if it breaks, what should I do? Like, if it breaks the expect, like it doesn't hit the expect part. So that's a worrisome job. I want the output to be so precise that I get something out of it, and after that I'll jump back to my initial code and start to execute the next thing. And how to get out of spawn, that's something which I'm looking right now. So wait, so Mr. Spawn, like, yeah, spawn, like, how do I get out of you? Like spawn returns what? Ask dot output. Like, I just want spawn, dude. Spawn, where spawn? Where is spawn? Yeah. Execute the commands as a child process and returning a handle to it by default. STD are inherited from the parent. example basic usage. And okay, output executes command as child process, waiting for it to finish and collect all of its output. By default captured, and the studio.in inherited from the parent, and any of the attempts by child process to read from will be resulted in the streamline immediately closing. Okay, it doesn't give any control, output doesn't give any control. Status, execute the command as a child process, waiting for it to finish and collecting the status. By default std. Okay, so can I just use status now? Let me read through it, like if there are anything more which I can use. Status is a nice thing. Fucking no, I was in status. Where status? Okay, command, and command as child and waiting for it to finish and collecting it from status by default. Okay, I don't wanna get program. What does it? Returns the path of the program that was given to. Okay, get program returns the path of. Okay, args, get arguments. Okay, get envs, get environment variables, get current directory. I'm not interested. Command. Okay, there are traits: uid, gid, group id, pre-exe, and there are things which I don't know, and there are things which I completely fuck up. And what was I supposed to use? Status. Okay, let me just remove this thing, rm audio, and run cargo build, cargo run. Awesome, I'm getting it back. So if I say, okay, print uni, wait, we went all the way through. Did we go all the way through? Yes, we went all the way through. And I don't want, since it's unused, let it stay unused, fucker. Yeah, I wanna overwrite it if I can. We went all the way through. Yes, we went all the way through. Yes, we did go all the way through. Ain't I awesome? So just to give you the entire overview of the thing which we are doing right now, we just pulled up a bloody damn banger, and somehow we are able to execute FFmpeg inside Rust, and the only credit goes to not me, but it was a decent effort, and I really loved it. What do you say, Robbie? Robbie, it was fun. If Robbie is there inside the stream, man, it was fun. Man, damn it. Hey, Discord, it's cool because you can do things like this, code blocks, send images, video files, and that kind of stuff. And also there are bots, like, just for the context of it, this is my goddamn Discord things, and my friends are teaching me how to use it. Discord is cool because you can do things like code blocks, okay, send images, video files, and that kind of stuff. And also there are bots, like the compiler code that can run your code. Oh fuck, you can run code. Also nice to have one place for everything. Man, loved it. Discord seems fun. How do you spell Discord? Seems fun. Let's do this often. Somewhere I can say connected to you people. And just for the reference of it, I'll just invite you guys. I have to do this every 10 minutes so that people can get the gist of it. So yeah, Bunny Pirates it is. Actually, it's Bunny Pirates, not Charlie Pirates. Because there's this weird woman whom I used to really like, calls me Bunny. And I really love her. So not my girlfriend or any kind. It's just my nene grandmother. So okay, we got we got through this shit. Let's just go and see what's our next task. What is our next task? Next task. See if you can pull the errors to print in Rust output. Done. Look into FFmpeg create for Rust and see if you can. It can be help. Nah, I guess I'm done with that part. I guess I can add in couple of more things. Oh damn! I just wanna add one, which is open and see. I don't wanna see, but like once the output is done, check if integrate the FFmpeg part and whispher.cpp part. And also there is one more work, and that's something which is like this. Yeah, how do I say it? What we wanna do right now is what am I trying to write? Yeah, something was on my mind. Yeah, wow. Whisper. Yeah, try to get whisper.cpp binary and make it run in Rust. Okay, so wait, I can do this entire thing, and I also need to have the flexibility of input and output too. So that's something which we have to look in. Yep. You know what, we'll make that the next task. Yeah. Make sure it has options to take in input file path and also input file path, and what else do we need? Output file name. Awesome. Yeah, so this is my thing. See if you can pull that thing off. And yeah, this is something which I'm done by chance, which I did not know should happen. And this would be my 00. And what's the time right now? I'm not doing anything with Go, but I just want to check like my viewers whether they are into more Go or more Rust. So I'm just conducting a vote for it. If you can see, language was written here. You can type 6 for Rust and hey, wait, what the fuck, man, and 9 for Go. That's my bad. So you can type in 6 for Rust and 9 for Go, and depending upon your thing, I will update the score there. And end of the stream, we will know how many number of people. Damn, brother. Yeah, let me go update. Rust 1. So end of the stream, we can know like what do our viewers prefer more, Rust or Go, and we're gonna do this shit for some time where we make fun of more of the languages. And we can rant about it if we feel like. Okay, let me just note down the time. 1 hour 6 minutes. So 1 or 06 minutes and 00. I'm just marking it down so that when I do a bruh, I forgot to say, man. I'm trying to make this YouTube channel get at least one subscriber. Since you're already here, I'll bug you with that thing. Just wait a minute. Like, I have this weird YouTube channel which I'm trying to somehow get it on, like get it on the good spec of it, but I have 0 subscribers in it. Let's see if you can help me out with this. Sub if you can. Not a really solid thing to say, but yeah, I would like at least one subscriber. And I just began with this thing, so I don't expect you to like it more. I'm just structuring the channel right now and trying to figure out what will work for me. So yeah, let's see. I want to make sure that I get path here somewhere, and I want to know if I can execute in this particular path. And also the output should be an input, like input kind of thing. And I want to convert this entire thing into a function, like fn. I'll call it FFmpeg part. And return type as of now will be what? None. There is no return type, and it'll have this. Wait, let me dry run it once. Println. Am I the only one who hates using red keys? Because all I can see right now, I'm not enjoying red switches in mechanical keyboard. Hey, thank you, Rob. Thank you. I just got my first subscriber, so congratulations to me. I mean, I'm pulling you on all the thing, but I seriously appreciate it. Seriously appreciate it. But yeah, thank you so much. I can't ask more from you. That's my limit to the ask, but like I took the liberty of it. Anyway. So, but am I the only one who hates using red switches like in mechanical keyboard? I'm not finding it fun anymore. Wait. Yeah. So let's just try to call that function. And yeah, crazy god. Before that, I have to remove that file. rm audio.stream.wave and rust run. And yeah, working. So I gotta move this entire process to that thing. So that all I have to do is give few inputs, and I'm right now getting used to this thing, so don't judge me on it. But I'm a really hard typer. Yeah, you use red switches. Like I have two keyboards, one with blue switches and one with red switches. But I seem like, since I'm a really hard typer, like I type heavy on my keyboard, I don't get the feel of it. Like I don't get the feel of the spring. So feel of the spring actually matters to me. Did it ever happen to you? Like I really hate the part where I have to, you know, like it's so smooth that I hate it. Man, things need to be a little bit rough for me and little bit hard for me to. Fuck, I know. I didn't mean in that way, but fuck. Okay. So wait, depending on the, like, can I do an expect? No, I can't do an expect on this, sorry. Wait, where am I? Yeah, wait, yeah, I guess I have to try brown from now on, cause what I feel from blue is like red are like they are way too smooth for me, and the activation force is so low that I hardly feel like typing. And for a guy who streams and types most of the time, I need to have that talk kind of thing with me so that I can feel it. And this doesn't do it for me. See, the sound is so low that I don't feel the beat of it. You have to get that weird vibe inside you to type for an hour or so. And for me to get that thing, I need really loud switches or like tactile switches. If you know what I mean. So wait, yeah, I need an input which is of path. Path will be of type string. Yeah, let me shoot it down here. Println. I can just say everything is working fine, and I will shoot down path from here. Like it will be something like check. See, the low activation force is killing me, man. Okay, expected string found str as string. Sorry. Okay. Uh, now what? Let let huh? Input input. I can just say input file name is equals to new t ring. Yeah, I forgot how do I write new string. Like I'm doing this thing on and off, so I feel not that good. Okay. Rust strings. Do you need to use that many arc functions? I don't think I need to use that many arc function. I can just do one arc function and I can do something like this, or one, yeah, like it doesn't let you add everything in one line as you can do in other languages, but you can do something like this for the parameter. So that's something which I'll do while cleaning it up, but not right now. Yeah, it's untidy, but I'll clean it up a bit. I'll clean it once everything settles down for me. Make no mistake, I'll clean it up. Okay, wait. Uh, kind of embarrassing to look up strings, man. But yeah, sorry. Oh, I fucked it up here. To implement a new string, it's something like string from builder. Okay. Brah. Since I'm sending it from here, expected block. Like, what happened? Match this. Okay, wait. Where am I screwing up? Should it not happen till now? Okay, I guess I fucked it up somewhere up or down. Yeah. Okay, let's just, so on long string doesn't work. Yeah, one long string doesn't work. Doesn't seems to work. Like as far as my knowledge, I checked on this. Wait, let me throw it up here. Sorry, wrong one, not this one. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Yeah, like I just read somewhere inside this arcs. If I go to arcs, so if you can read it here, add multiple arguments to pass program to pass single argument use, and okay, note that arguments are not allowed to pass through shell. Okay, arguments that are not allowed to pass through shell but given literally to the program, that means like, okay, this means shell syntax like quote, escape characters, and word splitting global character variables have no effect. I guess it doesn't allow. I'm not sure. So I'll try it out. I'll try it out. Ooh, no harm given, no harm, right? It's no harm, I'll try it out. No problem. So yeah, let's just see. Yeah, string dot new and just say brah. Okay, expected 0 arguments, found 1 for fucking reason. Oh yeah, sorry, from. Okay, I need 1 argument here, so input file name. So if everything turns out fine, I'm supposed to print that thing. Yeah, let me remove it first. Man, I gotta stop doing this audio dot. Yeah. Wait, where is the thing which I'm looking for, bro? Yeah, let me search it. Yeah, there's this bro. So it seems to be working fine, and I'm new to this, so you gotta bear with me for a bit. I'm familiar with most of the languages, how they work, so that I'm using all my knowledge in that language, and I'm trying to somehow shove that thing here. Okay, the string, if I give the string a name here, how to take input from user? How to take parameters from user, that's something which I have to look at. Uh-huh. Okay, for the sake of it, I'll just you know what, yeah, for the sake of it, I'll just say 20. Yeah, I'll just use this thing, and inside arguments, can I treat arguments as string, like can I input string here, path? Does it accept it? Like, does it accept so what is the type of it? Okay, wait, args are type of S. Yo, bloody hell, man. Okay, wait, I'll just read on args for a bit and let's know what the hell is args deal with. I guess arg and arg are similar. So note that the argument is not passed through a shell but given literally to the program. This means that shell syntax like quotes, escape characters, word splitting, global pattern variables, etc. has no div class warning. On Windows, use cautious. Okay, this is something. Okay, they just stuck the entire goddamn HTML which they wanted to paste in their website here. Nice. But something is better than nothing. So wait. So arguments, I can do it in, I guess I can't do it in one string. One string seems to be risky. But what is the input, like expected input type? I guess it's string. Ideally, that is my intuition from this. And rm remove audio dot thing, and I'll run cargo run again. Under ideal terms, it should work fine. Yes, it worked fine. And did it print the input path? Yeah. If I go on top, I can just look at it. That's my input file name, which I just gave as an input. All I have to figure out, how can I do the same weird drama which I'm doing right now in like by getting user from by getting input from user, and it should be a path. For now I don't think it is treating this thing as a path to variable, but yeah, that's for my output file name. And yeah, let's just go and say output. I don't want capital shit here, man. I'm using snake case. Okay, it's gonna be of type string. Output file name. I'll replace this entire thing with audio stream .mov. Sorry, WAV. I keep forgetting it. So if everything works out fine, this should be be from user. That's what it will happen in future if everything seems to be fine. Entire cham, brother, entire cham. I guess it's really late for everyone, so that Robbie, you were supposed to leave, my brother. Late for you. You don't need to like sacrifice your sleep for this thing. It's not that great of a thing what we are doing here. Like, make sure you take care of your health first, and you can watch this dumb stream anywhere. Like, yeah. Okay. Thank you, by the way. Like, I really appreciate the help and the feedback which you guys give. I guess I'll run this Rust versus Go for like another week or so. Then I'll see the result. How many people hate it and love it. That'll be awesome, actually. Yeah, baby. And I'm planning to buy a new webcam so that I can have an actual proper interaction with the camera. I mean, you guys via camera. So that's something which is in my mind for a long time. Okay, come on. So everything seems to be fine. If I run, oh yep, fucked it up. No, don't overwrite it. Okay, not overwriting and exiting. Yeah, I forgot to give it here. Instead of audio stream wave, output file name will be the thing given here. Cargo run now. Yeah, rewrite it. Yep, seems to be working fine. Seems to be working fine, my brothers. So what we need from the thing is output file name. We need the output file name, and I want this thing to return a string. Okay. Does it make sense? Okay, I guess I can get it to return return output file name. No, I don't need this thing to return anything. If this process works fine, I already have the file name with me. So why do I need to put in an extra effort to screw myself if the process works without any error? How do I expect something from it? expected failed to execute. Nah, doesn't seems like that's something which I can see. The error part will, there is a potential chance of leak. How do you spell potential? Pot chance of leak. So this is something which I have to look at. And yeah, now comes the actual part where I'm roasting my ass for a bit. Make sure you have input, and yeah, that's done. And all we have left right now, try to get this binaries and make it run in Rust. Yeah, and this is something which we are starting from what time? Like, what is the time right now? 1:27, 1 hour 27, so 1 hour 28 minutes. 1 hour 28 minutes is the time which we are starting. 01 28 00. This is the time which we are starting, and let's try to call this thing out. Try to make whispher.cpp binary, make it get okay, and make it run in Rust. And seems like that is something which is similar to what we are writing right now. Okay, whisper part. If I'm not wrong, that should be the thing. If I'm not wrong, you can return as a result or an option, so you can expect. Okay, wait. You can return as a result or option, so you can expect. Oh, so can I? Result. Okay, wait. Wait. How do I figure out? Like that's some. Yeah, I'll look at it. Yeah, you know what? I'll look at that part. Return, return as result or option to expect from function call. So I'll look at that. That's something which I'll look at for now. I'm really concentrated on the part where whispered out part is like this, something which I have to do it proper. And if this part works out, I can just take the entire text document and shove it up in ChatGPT. And I'll bug ChatGPT up for a bit, and let's see, like if that works out, I'll try to export everything in timestamp. And if I export everything via timestamp, I can particularly mark out what all part of the video I have to cut out, so that my entire editing process, where I have somewhere around 2 hours to 2.5 hours worth footage shortened down, and I can just pull in the precise content which I would feel comfortable with, like which I would feel comfortable uploading to YouTube. Make sense? Awesome. If it made sense, I'm no way telling you guys to do this or that, but why am I using plural? Guys doesn't make sense. But yeah, man, like we've been through effort, dude. We've been through effort. Yo, thanks for the suggestion, Rob. Like thanks for the code. Actually, it was actually good. So this part, wait, you can write the thing in Discord if you can, right? Not to disturb. How do I say that I am available to disturb? Service user profile account. Damn, that's something which I can't. Okay, let me see. I'm playing with my Discord app a bit. and it is telling that my profile is streamer mode enabled. You can set key bindings, login. Okay, automatically enable. Okay, option hide personal information. Okay, what the hell? I'm free right now. How do I tell that I'm active? It's quiet for you now. When friends start an active. Okay, fuck no. Man, Discord is weird for me. How do I say I like please disturb me? Okay, wait. Privacy, family, go back. Fuck. Chat accessibility, appearance. Yeah. Wow. Okay, not in the settings. How do I say like I'm active right now in Discord? Yo, you know what? Show it to me. Yeah, show it to me. Where should I go to say that right now I'm active? Man, I sound like a grandpa right now, but sorry. Down to the left corner on your profile. Oh, online. Awesome. Man, we should do this to Jack too, dude. Like when Jack comes back on stream, I'll bug him that like we can get on Discord now. Last time I remember that guy roasting me because I don't have Discord. It was bloody humiliating actually. Kind of feel tired a bit, but yeah, let's just get this part out. We have our Whisper, whispher.cpp, and there is this file called main. And oh, okay. Wait. Yeah, let's just go to wisp.cpp and fetch what we need. We need the binary. Yo, fucking no way. Yeah, we need the binary file. So copy main. Okay, main. Sorry, it's not cd. It's cp. Main. Two directories up. Fuck, I keep on doing this relative thing. Mount C user Charlie docs PLI rust cpp, and yeah, I can place it inside here, and cd rust.cpp. I guess I should have my main here. So wait, dot main dot help. Okay, that seems to be working fine. We are doing good. So all I want from this thing is command dot new main, and I want just one argument. I want just one argument. Oh, seems like that's the problem which I did. I could have used args and I was constantly typing arg. Fuck. I'll correct it. I want just h. Okay. And I want to do a status check on it and expect getting help from failed. Okay, so wait, I don't want to get this file on the go. I want to just implement a whisper.part. Damn. Hey, fuck. Man, I constantly remapped my escape key to JK continuous motion. Like if I click J and K like at a single time. It'll act as escape for me. And turns out I constantly do that, and I do many typos because of it. Okay, cargo, build it once. Cargo, run it once. Yo, seems to be working, man. Seems to be working. And what was the command which I was using? Cargo args. And if I do this, it is supposed to allow me to use you know what is this thing called? File comma in between. See, I constantly make typos because of it. Audio stream dot mwav. I can transcribe this entire thing using this command. Everything works according to me. I am supposed to get a proper text. Okay, what the fuck, man. I remember writing that, I'm sorry. But yeah. Okay, file with no parameters. Load modules from Wisp init. Init from file with no parameter state. Fail to open. Yeah. I guess I have to install that bin. Wait, if I'm not wrong, I already have this goddamn Wisp file, but I have to bin install something. Sorry, bash install something. Fuck. So people pop in, people pop out, people pop in, people pop out. Fucking me. Okay, wait. Don't get pissed, Daniel. I'm trying to act calm right now, but no. I'm tired and I'm bloody pissed. So I guess I need to use entire Wisp for this. I can't just use the binaries. Or like some other weird thing is happening. Loading modules from models.g. Okay, gbin is not working. Fail to open and fail to initialize the whisper context. So we are failing at many things. That's what I know as of now. And I guess I have something in mind which can work. So I can't just run the binary because binary depends on many other things. Can't I just you know, like wait, will path work? How does path actually work? I just want to see that part too. Okay, environment path.bin. So I guess I can just go to this particular directory, then try to run the same command. Okay, wait. If I do args, instead of args first, I want env, and key will be path as usual, and value will be somewhat like whispher.cpp. Okay, this will be the value, and if everything is right, I'll get help to working here. Cargo run. Bloody hell, yes, seems to be working. And if I say F and say comma, and what, like should I give some weird path now? audio.stream.wav. Okay, please work for me. Fuck. Seems to be that it is not going till there. It's not actually executing in the pathway. It's just running here and there. So bloody hell, that's not something. Wow. We've done shit ton of work right now. But yeah, man, Man, oh man, oh man. So let's see what we are missing right now. Let's take a deep breath, which I seriously need right now, and try to see where we are screwing it up. Mm, so wait, let's see the dock up a bit and dock up a bit close, and let's read about it. Insert an update. Okay, environment, explicitly environment variable mapping. This method allows you to add an environment variable mapping to the spawned process or overwrite a previously set value. So environment.clear, environment.remove. Take preceding inheritance. You can disable environment in instance entirely using. Okay, know that environment variables names are case sensitive. So wait, can I use this path somewhere else? Environment variable nvs, there are multiple variables. I can just say, wait, environment variables, environment, that's just environment, and this is environment variables. Okay, I can just use, what am I using by the way now? Filter ref k, fuck no, environment.remove, environment.clear, current directory. How to execute the process in a particular directory, that's something which I'm trying to figure out. Studio.error, spawn again, output again, status again, get program. That's not something which I let's see, command in rust execute commands in a RTICUL, yeah, sorry, particular directory. Man, the red switches are fucking with my typing. Commands in a directory. Okay, wait, in directory, is there a create call in directory? No fucking way. Yeah. It's a trivial utility that runs command in a specific directory. It is for working directories. What environment is? It is for the working directories. What env is for environment variables. The usage is simple. Unless, okay, given the pw environment variable will be set to the target directory before the command is executed. Ooh, this is something which I can look at. Let's see that the technique a program modified. Okay, the executable rest of the command line here at standby. It's called. You may also be interested in hexaline suites for tools built around this concept. And blah, not interested. Rob, do you have any suggestions on this thing? Because I have zero hopes on getting this thing done today. But yeah, so I want to execute this command in a particular directory. And how do I do it? I'm not sure. Not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, the really useful, never thought about using parentheticals like this. Yo, dumb fucks, give me something. On my system, using GNU corridors minus C flag for env. No, that's not something which I'm trying to do right now. Like, don't fuck with me. Give me something good, Rust. Now, I don't want to use a utility for running command line. Like, I've been annoyed for a long time. There is no non-shell way to run commands in a specific working directory. You can use env to run commands in a modified environment, sudo to running commands as different users. Nice. Okay, nice to change a command priority, but for some reason this is a program that runs a command in a directory, so I made in a trivial command that runs a sub command in the directory. Okay, did this guy actually design this entire thing? Okay, this is something which is new to us, so bloody hell. Wow. Man, my arm started to hurt bad. Did any of you go to gym anytime in your life? Like, do you guys frequently work out? Any of you? Should I add the dependency? I don't know. I have barely any idea about this. Okay, let's go. Nathan West wrote this thing. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I go to gym regularly nowadays, and turns out it's painful. It's actually painful. So this guy wrote this entire thing. There's nothing inside. Please tell me there's something inside. Fuck. There's nothing inside. There's just main.rs. And he published a goddamn crate. Fuck. Fuck, man. Fuck. But this seems to be something interesting which we can read. Okay, this guy is taking in arcs and arcs and passing them. Environment outside current directory to arcs.map. Okay, let directory equals arc.path display fail to change the directory. Okay, exit code failure. If arcs dot not not current working directory. Okay, let directory equals arc dot okay. Then r dot command dot new command dot string execute. Okay, wait. Command dot new r command a string format command iterate chain map join fail to run the command format. Fuck you. So all this guy is doing like it's like environment dot set current directory equals to arcs dot path, and there's nothing more happening here. Map dot error and let directory equals to arcs dot path dot display, and if that doesn't work, fail to change the directory. Fuck you, no. Nah. Man, this is most basic shit I ever heard. And env, I guess env can do this, but yeah, let's search for it a bit more. Like I want to be sure before I jump in and say there is nothing more I can search for. Where the hell is it? I don't like this idea on my system. Fucking no. Oh, that would work. Personally, I still wouldn't use it because by mutating the current process, then calling exit is traditionally Unix way to do it. But there's nothing really wrong with doing it in a way. No need to encapsulate in a command object. Fuck no. I think the point is that on Unix platform you can use command.extend.it to okay. Screw it, I'm not reading anymore. Execute command. Okay. Come on, this. Has somebody been through the same shit we are trying, which we are trying to do? Okay, is there a way to do this in my terminal? I execute this extravagantic thing, and okay, provided in the live output, process live, and okay, is there a way to execute the command using Rust? Okay, using command. Okay, thanks a lot if there is any help and any hope for you guys, but yeah. So you're not going to get it work this way. You need to run the other command first and capture the output to be used as an argument. While being able to do this in your shell is a great feature for scripting language, Rust is not a scripting language. Yes, I know that. So there is no way to do it in C++. I just threw the whole string into the string, okay, into the system. There should be a way. Okay, I have an optional set here, and I guess my time is up. And I have to be on my way back to bed so that I can work tomorrow. And if you look at the time, it's 3:35 a.m. right now. I guess I can pack it up for now. Should we? I'll pack it up for now. I'll move the task to next day. And yeah, okay. We'll move this thing for tomorrow. Yeah. If I'm not Russ seems to be doing good for today. Tomorrow there'll be a hell lot of more people, so we can take a proper voting then. And thank you, Robbie, for staying up late for me. I really appreciate it a lot, man. Like, you helped me out really well today. Really well would be an understatement. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Same time, I guess. 11:30 for me. It's somewhere around 8 or 9 for you. Like, what time is the most flexible time for people? I'm not sure. So we'll figure something out. I'll Discord you if that's actually a word. But Scooby-Doosh. Bye. And that's my outro to you.